The Unity 25 mission showcased the capabilities of Virgin Galactic's two operational vehicles, the VSS Unity spaceplane and the VMS Eve carrier aircraft. The VSS Unity launched at an altitude of 50,000 feet and powered its rocket motor to ascend into suborbital space. Passengers on board the Unity experienced weightlessness and witnessed a breathtaking view of Earth against the backdrop of space. After this awe-inspiring journey, Unity gracefully glided back to Earth, landing safely on a runway at Spaceport America. 8 dedicated Virgin Galactic employees participated in this particular mission, further demonstrating the company's commitment to space exploration. With a peak altitude of 54 miles and a top speed of Mach 2.9, Unity 25 fulfilled the criteria for a spaceflight as defined by NASA and the US Air Force. It was a testament to Virgin Galactic's progress in suborbital space travel. So, the question is, where does space exploration go from here? As Virgin Galactic prepares for its first commercial flight in June, the stage is set for a new era in space tourism. However, Virgin Galactic is not alone in the race to conquer the cosmos. Competitors like SpaceX, led by visionary Elon Musk, and Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, are also making significant strides. SpaceX recently achieved its 10th human spaceflight by transporting a privately chartered crew to the International Space Station. Additionally, Blue Origin secured a multi-billion-dollar contract from NASA to build a lunar lander, supporting future missions to the moon and beyond. With these 3 prominent players driving the new space race, humanity is on the brink of a revolution in space exploration. Truthfully though, this may only be available to the elite, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be very, very expensive.